Actor Kangana Ranaut, who's been very vocal over the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, will be summoned shortly by the Mumbai police for questioning and to record her statement. The Mumbai police are in the process of issuing fresh summons to Kangana to record her statement. According to the Mumbai police, they've been trying to connect with Kangana since the 3rd of July, but could not get in touch with her. Kangana's team posted a screenshot on Twitter on Wednesday saying no formal summons have been sent to Kangana and her sister Rangoli Chandel. Rangoli, who is also Kangana's manager, said she got casual calls from the police over the last 2 weeks. Well, after the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, Kangana Ranaut has alleged that the late actor was a victim of nepotism and rivalries in Bollywood. So far, over 30 persons, like actor Riya Chakravarti, who was Sushant's girlfriend, filmmakers Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Aditya Chopra, have been at the police station in Mumbai to record their statements. And remember, here's what Kangana Ranaut had said immediately after Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की हत्या के बाद कई चीजें बाहर निकल के आई हैं। कुछ मैंने इंटरव्यूज पढ़े हैं, कुछ डायरेक्टली भी बात की है। तो उनके पिताजी का कहना है कि वो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में हो रही टेंशन के करके बहुत ज्यादा परेशान थे। अभिषेक कपूर जिन्होंने उन्हें लॉन्च किया, उनके साथ हाल ही में एक फिल्म की है केदारनाथ। उनका कहना है कि इट वाज अ सिस्टमैटिक डिसमेंटलिंग ऑफ अ फ्रजाइल माइंड। अंकिता जो उनकी लॉन्ग टर्म पार्टनर रह चुकी है, उनका कहना है कि वो सामाजिक रूप से की गई अपमान और बेइज्जती नहीं सहन कर पाया। तो अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि मूवी माफिया ने ना कि सिर्फ उनको बैन किया था, सिस्टमैटिक डिसमेंटलिंग, कैसे कतरा कतरा करके उनका दिमाग तोड़ा गया है, उनको मारा गया है। तो ब्लाइंड आइटम आप इसलिए लिखते हैं क्योंकि आप जब झूठ लिखना होता है, आपको के अगेंस्ट कोई लीगल एक्शन नहीं लिया सकता क्योंकि आपका तो नाम ही नहीं लिखा, मगर उसकी जो डिस्क्रिप्शन होती है, जैसे मेरे बारे में लिखा जाएगा कि जिस लड़की के घुंघराले बाल हैं, जिसको नेशनल अवार्ड मिला हुआ है, साइकोटिक है, इस तरह से जो कि मनाली से डिस्क्रिप्शन पूरी दी जाएगी मगर नाम नहीं लिखा जाएगा। 23 अगस्त 2017 को बॉलीवुड लाइव सुशांत के बारे में लिखता है कि वो जब भी सेक्स करता है तो सिर्फ अपने ही गाने सुनता है, वो सबसे बड़ा नार्सिसिस्ट है। 16 दिसंबर 2016 में मुंबई मिरर लिखता है कि सुशांत एक ट्रक ड्राइवर की तरह लगता है। 22 फरवरी 2019 को मुंबई मिरर लिखता है कि पार्टी में तमाशा करने के बाद सुशांत ने कांच की बोतल एक डायरेक्टर के सर पे दे मारी। 18 अक्टूबर 2018 को डीएनए लिखता है कि सुशांत ने अपने को एक्टर का रेप किया और वो मीटू के चलते अब जेल जा सकता है। और ऐसी ना जाने कितने अनगिनत झूठ। और ये जो बुद्धिजीवी जर्नलिस्ट हैं, ये जो चील कौए गिद्ध हैं जो मूवी माफिया के पाले हुए हैं, ये इसको मेंटल इमोशनल साइकोलॉजिकल लिंचिंग को जर्नलिज्म कहते हैं। मेरे बारे में आज तक जो भी कहा गया मैंने कुछ निकाला, लेकिन जब एक स्वतंत्रता सेनानी के खिलाफ गंदगी लिखी गई, मैंने उस जर्नलिस्ट को कॉन्फ्रंट किया। आपको पता है उसी रात 4 सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट ने मेरे खिलाफ एक गिल्ड बनाई। ऐलान किया गया कि इसकी फिल्म को बैन किया जाए, फ्लॉप किया जाए। आपको पता 3000 जर्नलिस्ट गैंग अप होते हैं एक अकेली लड़की पर, उसकी इमोशनल लिंचिंग करते हैं सरेआम, और ये समाज कुछ नहीं कहता, कानून कुछ नहीं कहता है। मैंने उन पे केस करने की कोशिश की मगर 1 महीने बाद वो गायब हो गए। मेरी फिल्म रिलीज हुई, गायब हो गए। तो मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर ये समाज जिस अन्याय की बुनियाद पर खड़ा है और कभी आवाज नहीं, आप ये पढ़ते हैं, चटकारे लेते हैं, कभी आपने सोचा है कि कभी नेपो किड्स के बारे में ये क्यों नहीं लिखा जाता है? तो ये अन्याय का फंदा किसी दिन आपके बच्चों के गले में लटका मिलेगा, आपके गले में लटका मिलेगा। इसलिए जब तालियां बजेगी और सीटियां बजेगी तब आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या गुजरती होगी।
I want to go across to India Today's Divyesh for more on this story. Divyesh, the Mumbai police apparently has been trying to get in touch with Kangana since the 3rd of July. Today is the 23rd. So for 20 days they've been trying to get in touch with her. But now they're going to be issuing fresh summons?
Shiv, in fact, on 3rd of July, when the police team went to Kangana Ranaut's Mumbai residence, which is located close to Khar Gymkhana, they had carried a summon copy with them, which they wanted to hand over to Kangana Ranaut or any of her staffers. A staffer working for Kangana Ranaut, identified as Amrita Dutt, refused to accept those summons and also refused to give any information where Kangana could be contacted. Police officials also requested her to join, to come at the police station and help them out trace Kangana or contact Kangana so that she could be summoned, she could be called in, and her statement could be recorded. Because as you pointed out, Kangana Ranaut has been very vocal since death of Sushant Singh Rajput on public platform, on social media platforms. She had released this video where she says that Sushant was a victim of nepotism.
Yes.
There was a camp working against Sushant Singh Rajput which was targeting Sushant Singh Rajput and trying to destroy his career, tarnish his image. So, in considering that, Mumbai police wanted to record Kangana Ranaut's statement, and since then they've been trying. They've also made calls to Rangoli Chandel, asking her that she convince Kangana Ranaut to come to Mumbai, join investigations, and whatever she knows, whatever information she could share, could be helpful in further carrying out investigations concerning death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Primarily, the investigation is focused at why Sushant Singh Rajput took this extreme step of ending his life.
Okay, thanks Divyesh for getting us the latest on that. We'll have to see where the investigation goes. Fresh summons to be issued on Kangana. While Kangana Ranaut is the latest to be is about to be summoned for questioning in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, here's a report and a reminder of all the key Bollywood personalities who've been questioned by the Mumbai police in this case so far.
Yash Raj Films head honcho Aditya Chopra's statement was recorded by the Mumbai police on Saturday in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Aditya was present at Versova police station for over 4 hours and told the police that his production house did not stop Sushant from working with other filmmakers in the industry. The 34-year-old had worked in 2 YRF productions, 2013 Shuddh Desi Romance and Detective Byomkesh Bakshi in 2015. Chopra was summoned by the police after allegations surfaced that YRF, with whom the deceased actor had a 3-film deal, did not allow Rajput to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Police are also investigating the angle that Rajput had left YRF midway while he had a 3-film contract with the production house. Rhea Chakrabarti has confirmed for the very first time that she was Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend, as she urged for a CBI inquiry into the late actor's death. In a social media post addressed to Home Minister Amit Shah, the actress had requested with folded hands for an inquiry to understand what prompted Sushant to take the extreme step. It was only last week that filmmaker Sanjay Leela Bhansali visited the Bandra police station to record his statement. Bhansali revealed that he had not spoken to Sushant since 2016 and he was not close to the late actor. Sanjay also said he wasn't aware of his depression. Abhishek Trimukhe, DCP Mumbai Police, confirmed that Bhansali was planning to take the actor in 4 of his films, including Ram Leela and Bajirao Mastani. But due to his unavailability of dates, the film went to other actors. It is believed that Sushant was focused on Yash Raj Films' Pani, directed by Shekhar Kapoor at that point in time. Days after Bhansali was summoned, talent manager Reshma Shetty, the head honcho of Matrix, was also called in for questioning. In fact, news is that close family members and relatives will soon be called in again for recording of a detailed statement. That's not all. Sushant's co-star from his last film, Dil Bechara, Sanjana Sanghi, made a fleeting visit to Mumbai from the national capital to speak to the Bandra police recently. Up until now, over 30 people have been questioned over Sushant's sudden demise, including his manager Shruti Modi, press representative Radhika Nehlani, and close friends Rhea Chakrabarti and Mukesh Chabra, among others. That's not all. Journalists from leading entertainment websites have also been questioned to probe if someone was deliberately planting blind items against the Kedarnath actor.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.